Hi guys, David here from the Property Centre, and I'm here to present to you this newly converted HMO with 6 rooms available in Taunton town centre. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So there we are guys, that was the 6-bedroom HMO available in Taunton town centre. If you do like the look of the property and are interested in arranging a viewing or would like to make an application, please contact us at the office.